Once in a while we eat so spicy, sometimes we challenge among friends. So here everybody eats really, really hot. So I got some of the world's hottest chili habanero seeds and we started growing here. They are not fully matured yet. I have taken the bite yesterday. The beauty is it just doesn't burn at the lips, not at the source. Even at the end part, it will start burning. Once it's heated, it's different. So these chilies are super hot. The lips will burn. Everything inside will burn. Once they are matured, they get really hot. But anyway, today I wanted to eat chicken. And the beauty in India is we get some of the best cuts of meats. That too you can order from online. So I got the chicken. Guess where I'm getting? This is freshly cut and nice and juicy and always tender. But anyway, I'm going to make chicken 65 because I just wanted to eat. And once I have the happiness of this, I'm going to end it with this burning sensation. The chicken, nice, beautiful. Squeeze in some lemon juice, add salt, rest of the ingredients, boomba, you guys know. Some chili powder, pinch of garam masala, coriander powder, a little bit of cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, finely chopped green chili. If you want to add a little bit of flavoring salt and a little bit of all-purpose flour and mix it. Let these masalas coat these chicken pieces. Once you are mixed it well, sprinkle a little bit of flour so that the chili pieces and the other curry leaves get attached when you fry in the oil. Curry leaves, I prefer finely chopped, added to this. A little bit of crushed pepper and food coloring is optional. Drop piece by piece into the oil. Wow, nice. And since the meat is so perfect, just fry it for like 5-6 minutes. That should be perfect. And this makes excellent even chicken nuggets and they will be so good. Just before getting done, add some chillies. And the way I did will make sure that the masala is lightly coated. It's not too much flour, slightly coated. But all the masala is perfectly coated. Just slide them. Some lemon, some onions. This is obviously best had with drinks. Actually, we both decided to have this challenge. We eat 2 pieces of chicken and 1 piece of habanero chili. But फट गई, दोनों के फट गई. But actually, you have a logic point. Without drinks, we should not try this challenge. Okay, so let's try this. The chicken is
so tender.
Tender. Friends, come on, let's enjoy. Really, really hot. But I'm going to be the man here and have a bite of the chili and
take a whole bite.
See, the tail part is not so harsh. So guys, whatever it is, chicken rules. Chicken is the tastiest meat.